Publishing an Emergent AI app means making it accessible to real users outside the editor. Emergent AI helps you build and test AI-powered apps, but the final deployment must be done manually. Here's how to publish your app step by step. First, go to the Emergent AI homepage and make sure your app is fully built and tested. Open an existing project from your recent apps, or create a new one and verify that everything works correctly in the preview panel. On the main editor screen, you'll see the app preview on one side and the configuration or agent settings on the other. Before publishing, double-check that your app behaves exactly as you want. Once you're ready, click the share icon. This allows you to generate a preview link that you can send to others for testing or feedback. Keep in mind, this link is only for previewing, not for full public deployment. Next, look for the Deploy button, usually located in the top right corner. Clicking it will open the deployment options. You'll be asked to choose a deployment plan, such as Standard, Pro, or Team. Select the plan that best fits your needs, then follow the on-screen steps to upgrade if required. After entering your contact details and completing the payment process, return to the deployment screen. Click Deploy, and Emergent AI will begin publishing your app. Once deployment is complete, your AI app is live and accessible to users. You can now share it publicly and start collecting real-world feedback.